boy.
Mama, take us to school. What do you want me to do?
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
Raining. Take us.
Why should I take you to school today?
Because it's raining. And if you love us.
We live 3 blocks away from the school.
And it's pouring outside.
Do you melt in the rain?
Yes.
Are you made of sugar?
Yes, of course. Because we're so sweet.
There's these inventions called umbrellas.
Do we have any? No, exactly.
We do out in the car.
That's outside. It's the rain.
You're upset because you'd have to go outside 20 feet.
Of course. Yes. Why don't you get? Oh, Mike.
I get it. I just want to know what is it that you guys want?
Oh my God! You were asking that.
What do you want? What do you guys
We
want?
want you to take us to school.
Why do you want me to take you to school?
Because you love us.
No, I don't love you. Why would I want to take you to school?
Because we.
I don't take you to school. You live so close.
But it's raining. Why don't you love us? Why?
I do love you. I love you enough to teach you that the rain is not going to hurt you.
But it does hurt us. Okay, slip and fall. Ow.
You could slip and fall. You're going to slip and fall?
Yes. I'm clumsy. The car could swerve off the stop sign, it's dangerous. It is very dangerous.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh my God. You're walking.
No!